first morning stretch down there to see Morris. He's a good boy. So we had 4/10 of an inch of rain overnight. Well, it was really late evening, 7, 8 o'clock-ish. Sorry, Tux, didn't mean to startle you, bud. You eat your chicken. And so that's great. We've had rain. I don't have to water stuff too much this morning. Just, although I was telling Dawn, fountains and cap water refreshing is about a half to 2/3 of the stuff I do with the water in the morning. So rain saves me, but not that much. I've been trying to get this bench to dry out for several days now, and yeah, I hold it up here and the water drains, and trying to dry it out. It's not going to be dry enough that I can sit on it today. Tux probably doesn't really like it that all that water goes under the bench because he hangs out down there a good bit. But anyway, trying to wake up. We're going to be 84 today, chance of rain. But Friday, 79. So we're thinking we might work out in the yard Friday.
Good morning, Panther. Hi. There you go, buddy. Good boy.
Well, you're a good-sized spider. I'm glad I didn't run into your web. Got to be careful this time of year. I think that's one of those garden spiders. I was going to say that Dawn and I are both dreading... yeah, here's his web, actually. Dawn and I are both dreading all of the rain causing all of the weeds, stilt grass to start growing. We know it's coming. We know it's coming. We won't have first frost here until Halloween, November 1st or 2nd, something like that. So we've got a lot of time left to keep up with it. All of October and some of September. Like 6 weeks maybe. I pulled a few pieces of stilt grass while I watered. Standard morning stuff. There's my flag at the bottom of the stairs. It says welcome and has the 3 cats and their tails hanging. It's very similar to the table runner I bought yesterday.
There she is. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. There's Chicken. There's Chicken. Get that plate out of the way. How you doing? Good girl.
We're headed for our walk. Here's Tux Man in his bed, happy. I saw Stripe is in the Marty chair. Here's Marty for now. That's what they do. They eat their breakfast and then they go back to sleep. I'm excited for Friday when I should be able to come out here and sit with my buddies and not get bit by mosquitoes. Well, it is a pretty day. Well, they are up here mowing today, or at least Wade is. A little wet. Going good so far though. With the splash pad closed for the season, mornings here at the park are a lot quieter. And I'm not saying that like that's a good thing. I like the park to get used. Don and I took a Walmart bag and cleaned up all of the debris in front of the electronics recycle bin. Lots of screws and nails, and I'm hoping for good karma. Guess what time it is?
Car inspection time.
It seems like it never ends with 4 vehicles. Yes, even though it's only 4 separate months out of the year, it seems like it never ends.
That's correct.
I'm going to go shopping. Don's going to drop me off at Guardian Angel and then try to get the car inspected. There is the registration.
And well, anyway, I'm going to try to get it inspected. That's the
bottom line. All right, Don is able to get in and get the car inspected. Jeffrey is there Well, they have started putting out some harvest stuff. Not a lot of Halloween stuff. A little bit. But we'll take it. It's a start. And it's time for Halloween books. Super cute, but it doesn't look like stripe or tux. Not really. I got this frog for one of my plant pots, and this was $7. Johnny has Dawn's and we need 2, and so we found a good one. You know, Johnny uses that to move his robot stuff around. Pumpkins and mums. Those big mums were 20. Medium are 7. I got what I came for, and as always, a couple things more. Wow, it feels nice in the garage. The humidity's down in here. The dehumidifier's doing a good job today. I want to print something for me. A Lego minifigure hexagon looking display stand. And if the first one prints really good, I want to print more of them. They slide together to form like an artistic wall hanging. So I'm going to try to get it going by myself, and if all else fails, I'll reach out I'll get Dawn out here. But I think I can do it. I think I remember. I changed the filament by myself. Totally. I did. But I asked Dawn to come level it because he's done it 4 or 5 times now. He's got the feel for it. So I haven't disabled the steppers yet. And I could do it 3 or 4 or 5 times and get the feel for it too, but why when I have Dawn? The cats think I'm nuts. I've been in and out about 4 times. So I had to figure out how to adjust the temperature. I looked at Johnny's file for the same material, the same filament. And he has the bed at 60 and the extruder, the nozzle at 220. So I figured out how under control to change the temperature to 220 and it's heating. I just went to get the good camera for audio. It's actually started. That's good. It would be nice to print a couple of these at a time. Maybe 4 at a time would fit. Maybe at least 2, but until I know I'm super happy with it, it looks nice and parallel the way Johnny likes for it to look. Well, the way we all want it to look. I see that one little tiny blip, but all the lines are nice and parallel, and I'm not going to worry about that. All right. This is a 2-hour print, I think it said. I don't know. You know, the estimating stuff over on the other side, it takes a while before it tells you any meaningful information about the estimated time. You know how these time estimator things are. So I guess nothing to do but let it go now. How exciting. This came off Thingiverse. You guys, I'll show you a picture and you'll get the gist when you can see the finished product here. I sent Don to get the mail. I forgot to remind him that the Legos coming today was larger than smaller. Oh, you did okay without taking a bag with you. Phew! I wonder what it could be.
I have no idea.
Oh, we all have our parts.
I suppose.
Let's see how this print's doing.
It looked pretty good when I looked at it a minute ago.
Oh, now I see. There's all this, what's Johnny call that extra stuff on the side? The raft filler.
Yeah, raft. It breaks off.
Right. Yep, I get it. But now I understand. Very cool.
Yeah, but look how intricate the...
Yep. Wow, it's coming along. Looks good.
I agree. Is this some kind of a Pokemon thing?
It's Lego. I told you, it's a Lego minifigure display. It's a hexagon and they slide together so you can make it into any shape you want. As many minifigures as you want.
Okay.
So my plan is for quite a few, but I definitely think we could fit 4 on this tray if I could figure out how to fit 4.
Yeah, you need. I'm sure we can figure it out.
Ah, Legos. And the sound of Dawn opening up Zevia root beer. Way cool. Super cool.